Hello, this is Paul from RankWyz. This video is an introduction into RankWyz projects and networks. Right now I'm on the dashboard. This is what you'll see once you log in into the system. And you have account summary, number of projects, block networks, bookmarking. If you enable and use rank tracker, SEO profiles, and so on, you see the recent updates on the system. Right in the top you see the posting stats. This is summary of all your by day activities and posting in the on your account, and down below you can see the list of projects. What project is a grouping of all your activity related to specific promotion of the specific site or client. You will organize organized for the purpose of promotion of the main site, or might be number of sites if they theme related. So you put them all on the project. Right on the dashboard you'll see some basic stats on the project. You can see number of blogging and bookmarking network in every project. You can roll over and see some additional stats on the project. You can click on chart and see if there are any pausing or in the last 30 days for this project. And for in order to create project, I'll go on the top menu, I'll go and select all projects, and this again the same list, and I click new. I will create project demo, and now you see that project is created and it has a tab for network settings. In the project we can add websites. It is an individual websites, mostly your main site you're working to promote for the sake of monitoring, or if you decide to use RankWyz to do remote posting to the main site as well. And project networks, it is a group of accounts, a blog or bookmarking accounts organized together for the ease of management. And I will start with adding a website, and again, so that's mainly for the purpose of monitoring of the main site. And now you see site is added. I can go to see the site, and there's a basic SEO information. It's not screenshot. There is some DNS information on the I can enable SEO profile on the site if I want to monitor more information about this, and I can enable backlink monitor, which will be everyday download from several backlink sources, all discovered and lost backlinks, and you will see them in the graph, and we'll know if there's a spike of new or lost backlinks. Going back to project, I can also add several competitors to the site if I want to compare them, especially for the rank tracking purposes. But next step would be adding a group of blocks or block networks. Usually you organize blocks in the network. While if you want to perform bulk activities on the namely because we do blogging automation and bookmarking automation, is organizing them and setting up remote posting on your account or blogs. If I click new, I can create new network, and I can select two type of networks, or blog networks or bookmarking. And for blog, you can see that there's a self-hosted blogs or Web 2 blogs. So if we'll start with a self-hosted, let's say I can specify a tier, and this is mainly for organizing and reporting purposes, but you can see that now I have tier 1 self-hosted blogs if I manage any. So, and the dashboard is more complex because it's mainly geared toward monitoring of posting made to the blogs. If you go to the blogs tab, you can see you can add new blog, and it's limited to self-hosted WordPress blogs, and you would be required to enter URL, username, and password. Again, going back to the network, to the project, I can create Web 2 network, and let's say it will be and if I go in the network, you can see that while it in many cases, in most mostly look exactly the same as private blog network, there's a difference in terms how we process blogs. If I go add blogs, you can see the option to select any of the blog account from the platform we support, or you can also import them in a bulk format following the username, URL, username, and password format. And now I'm going back to the project, and one more type of network you can add is a bookmarking network. While there's no such term as a bookmarking network, and again, because we usually you will see the term network related to blogging sites, but it's exactly serves the same purpose as grouping together social bookmarking accounts and allow organized remote posting on and monitoring on those accounts. For the network settings, you don't have we don't have much, so you can change the name, change the status. If you would like to archive the project, you can enable rank tracker, but that's going to be a separate. I will just cover this in a separate video. And if you want to delete the project, you go into settings, edit project, and there is a delete button. System warns you that everything contained in the project will be deleted and cannot be recovered. And this is the project you set up, and this is where you will put all your main sites, all your sites, blogs, bookmarking account, and organized posting. And I'll cover this in another video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using RankWyz.